Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am trying out a drugstore brand called Kokie Professionals. So I want to get more into the drugstore brands because, you know, they're more affordable. And I didn't get too much, but I got a foundation, their Skin Perfect HD foundation, which was $13, and I got it in the shade 20C. I got an eyeshadow palette, and that is called Act Neutral, and that was $10. And these are really pretty colors. And then I just got an eyeliner, Velvet Smooth eyeliner, which was $6, and I got it in deepest black. So I'm gonna mix this with my other makeup products, and I'm gonna, I wanna give this a chance, so I'm gonna use primer, even though, again, does it work? I don't know. But I'm gonna go in anyway with my Tarte, because if I'm gonna use a primer, this is my favorite. I want to fill those pores. Oh God, I look terrible. Not terrible, but like I feel like my skin is really red right now because I really did just moisturize it and stuff not too long ago, maybe. I don't know. But, okay, let's go in. Oh my God, that's like a perfect match of skin color. I couldn't get it any closer to match than this. Wow. Like it doesn't even look like I put anything on, right? But it is covering my redness. That's how I know that it's on. I keep going back and forth with liking my brush or the Beauty Blender. Like this Beauty Blender, I don't know, like they don't last as long as I thought they should for the price, because I do wash it every time. I got that soap from Sephora, which I love. It really cleans it really good, but like it starts to kind of rip, and maybe I'm too rough with it, I don't know. Oh, I forgot. This looks really natural. I hope it lasts. It's Super Bowl Sunday, so we're gonna see if this lasts, because I am going over to someone's house. So I want to look decent. Like I hate when I do a makeup review and it's makeup that doesn't look so good and I'm going out and I'm like, oh, I gotta leave it on because I'm reviewing it. I think it's mostly with eyeshadow colors too that I hate when the eyeshadow comes out bad. Okay, I think I have enough on. I keep piling it on, I don't know why. Okay, again, I'm gonna use it with other makeup that I have. So I'm gonna go in with my Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline concealer. I don't go concealer crazy, just enough. To kind of brighten that area. I don't have too many dark spots under my eye. I'm fortunate in that. But I think it just gives it a nice extra. Does it though? I don't know. I think it looks really nice. But last time I said that, put some eye primer on. I'm going with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, anti-aging, of course. Ooh. I do like the way this looks so far, and I really hope it stays. It wouldn't be a video unless my neighbors are making noise, so somebody is using a saw, electric saw. I don't think you can hear it though. Every time I think you guys hear it, and then I watch the video back, you can't really hear it, so. Okay, going to go in with bronzer. I am using my Smashbox Contour. Not that I contour, I just kind of put some blush on. Sort of like a sun-kissed look. Okay, I'm gonna set it with my Laura Mercier loose setting powder, translucent, and I don't really do all that baking. I just kind of put some on with a big brush. A little oops in here. And I just go in And I just go over my spots that tend to get a little more oily. And that really helps me throughout the day. Kind of fell in love with this. Put on my eyes. Okay, let's see how it looks with everything on. It looks really nice. Let me do my eyebrows quickly and I will be right back. Okay, eyebrows are on and now we can play with the eyeshadow, which is always the fun part, right? Okay. I can't find my favorite thing. It's that color switcher for your brushes from Sephora. And I think I know why. Because my cat apparently was up there the other day knocking things down. You know how cats just have to go up and ping, ping, just knock things down, and that was like right at the edge, so I don't know where it went. I can't find it. It's somewhere, but whatever. Okay, I just have to get a new one. But I think it's time, because I do wash them, so it comes out brand new, but I'm so mad. All right, so are there color names on here? No. So I'll just show you. I guess, what am I doing? There's a pretty green in here, but I'm gonna stay away from the green because I feel like I've been doing some greens and I wanna go back to a neutral look, even though I used to always say, oh, I always do neutral, but like, I don't really think I've done neutral in a while, and I really want neutral today, so I'm going in neutral. So I'm gonna go in with this color here. Okay, and I'm gonna go all over. And yes, I did darken my hair again, and I'm hoping it stays because this time I'm doing something a little different. So I did a single color. I think it'll stay. I don't know. I don't know. It's grown on me. At first I kind of panicked a little, but it's grown on me. Okay, some fallout. I'm gonna go into this, which is just a shade darker. It's not really that much different, but I'm gonna go on that and kind of use that as transitional. Oh, I'm using the wrong brush. All right, I'll just, see, I don't have my color switcher. I like it. Pretty. Okay, so what do we really have now though? We just really have some shimmers. We have this pretty color. Maybe I should have. I like that, but I feel like I don't need it because I already have the other colors on. Maybe I'll just do some here. Just see how it looks on. Oh, I like that. I wish I used that, but it's okay because I like the other colors too, so it's fine. But I don't want to put them on top of each other. It's kind of pointless. Okay. That was pretty though. Oh, I kind of like the darker lids right now. Maybe that's what I'll do. I usually go bright on my lids. Like I would have put that on my lid, but I don't think I'm gonna do that today. I'll go with like some darker shimmers. I'm going with this shimmer. Go towards the end more. Actually, maybe I won't go into that, but I'll go into this one, which is still light, but I'm gonna do that one anyway on the lid. So I guess I am going a little lighter on the lid. But not really because it's over that darker, so it's kind of like a pink. I like it so far. Okay, I'm gonna go in here. Or should I go in here? I'll go in here for underneath. So I've had this makeup on me since before Christmas. I just haven't gotten to it yet. This was like the longest I don't know why. I guess other stuff just came before it. This is really nice though. I wish I had it all this time to use it. do like it. I don't want to go shimmer here, but I guess I'll go a little because it's the only light color. Wish I had like a matte. I'm just gonna go in. I don't have another. I'm just gonna go in with my Smashbox I just want to brighten up here, but I don't want to. I mean, it's Super Bowl Sunday. I don't think I want like so much shimmer going on. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep it because I like it, and that's that. So really nice. And now we'll go in with the eyeliner. Although before I do that, let me just add a little highlight. And I did do a video on this a while ago. This is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Nude. And someone had commented on one of my photos on Instagram that I look so glowy. And I'm gonna tell you something, I've been using this. I use this every day when I don't want crazy like highlight. Like I've been wearing this to work even. And I just kind of go all over all four. And I just lightly do this. So it's not like bam, because that's like too much, you know, I'm not going out or anything, but just to get a little glow. And that's it. And this really does give me like a glowy look. Okay, eyeliner. Velvet Smooth eyeliner. It's not a liquid, which is what I'm used to lately. Okay. Do you guys know what, am I supposed to use a special sharpener for these? I have a couple of different, and like a regular sharpener I think ruins it. I don't know. If there's a special sharpener, I'm sure when it gets, I'll find out, but I feel like when I see these, I get worried, how am I supposed to sharpen this? But, oh. I think this turned on the bottom. All right, well, we'll find out when it gets low. Okay, here we go.
I'm watching Cutting Edge. Toe kick.
I'm filming.
What?
I'm filming.
Hi guys, how's everything? That's a nice video.
Came to tell me he's watching Cutting Edge, which used to be one of our, not our favorite movie, but a fun movie to watch. Toe kick. He's like a girl sometimes. This went on nice. And sometimes I like to switch from the liquid because it's not as harsh looking as a liquid. It's a little more on the softer side. This looks nice. I actually like that. I think it looks really pretty. Wow, I like it a lot. It took me a little longer than liquid because, you know, liquid is like whoosh, whoosh, but I think it was well worth it. I really like it. So let me finish the whole look because that's all I have from Kokie. And then we'll do like a wear test and see if it lasted all day and all night, okay? So let me finish up my look. Okay, guys, I am back and I really, really like the way this looks. I love the way it came out. I think that the foundation, where are you, is really good and I'm hoping that it stays because I really want a new foundation every day and I love that the color is a great match for me. I think it just matched really good. Yeah, so I hope it stays. I love the eyeshadow. Like, honestly, if at the end of this video you see I come back and I'm happy, I'm gonna be so happy because this is gonna be added to my everyday table where I do my makeup because I do like to change it up and I feel like I haven't had anything that's really like hitting me. But this is not going to my daughters. This is gonna stay with me because usually like lately I'm like, here, you want this? Not loving it. And they love it. They appreciate it. They're like, we'll take it. We'll take. They take anything, even if I don't like it. I just feel like, you know, I have all this makeup and the reviews I'm doing. I'm not going to use something I don't love. And sometimes, you know, especially these kind of colors, the new colors, you have so many of them. How many more do I need? But if I really like it, I'm keeping it. So They make out. I'm happy. Everybody's happy. But this, I'm keeping. So that being said, I will check in with you a little later. Okay? Okay, hey guys, I am back. It's the end of the night. The Super Bowl's over. I'm so tired. But I will say my makeup looks good. I do. I think that it looks good. Yeah, I do. I think it looks good. Eyeshadow, foundation, I really like it. Definitely going to be using it a lot. Who knew? I've been holding on to this makeup for so long, and if I had known I had it and it was good makeup, I would have ripped into it and used it sooner, but whatever. So now I have this makeup to use, so I'm so happy because it really worked out. And it's drugstore, which means it's more affordable. So that's it. I hope you enjoy my video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you have not. And until next time, have a great day.